their GCSE maths video then in standard form. You'll have met this before in year 10, so I'm not going to spend too long taking a wee look at it, but effectively standard form is used to save us writing out big huge numbers like this. So instead of having to write all these zeros, you end up with a number like this. And standard form works for really big numbers and really small numbers. So we'll just go through a few examples and remind ourselves what it is we have to do. We need to convert this number into standard form. The first bit of the standard form, this bit here, needs to be a number in between 1 and 10. So you can see this here in your notes and in your instructions. So where would I put my decimal point? I'm going to put it in here. I hope we can see that. So my number is going to be 3.147. And then it's always times 10 to the power of how many places we've moved the number along from the decimal point. So this decimal point in this number is here, so we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 3.147 times 10 to the power 7. Nice and straightforward. Similarly then for this one, where am I going to put it? And most people see we can go to 2.19. How far have I moved it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2.19 times 10 to the power 10. And then 14930. So I'm going to put my decimal point here, 1.493. And that's times 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so we have that. It should make sense in your head the way this works out. This isn't the time to look at it, but if you've 10 to the power of 1, that means it's going to move one place. So if you times any number by 10 to the power of 1, it just moves it up 1. So say you have 2.1 times 10 to the power 1, that's times something by 10. Everyone knows how to do that. That's just 21. If it's 10 to the power 2, that's 100. So we can move it up 2, and so that's really why the system works. Let's keep going. So write the following numbers. Now we're dealing with the smaller numbers. So how do they work? Very similar. Again, we look to see where we're putting it. So we're putting our decimal point here. So it's going to be 3.9 times 10. And we've moved 1, 2, 3. So we've moved the number 3 along. And because it's a small number, we write negative 3 or minus 3. Now here we have 4.765. 1, and we're moving up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's times 10 to the minus 6. And then 0.015 is going to be then 1.5 times 10 to the power of minus 2. Some people forget to put the times 10, so 1.5 to the power minus 2 is a totally different number, and you can't work it out that way. We need to be able to change from standard form then into regular numbers. So let's take a wee look at these ones. Move the decimal point in a number of places again. It's nicer to move the number, but that's okay. If the power is negative, move it to the left. If the power is positive, move it to the right. 4.56 times 10 to the power 5. So I'm going to go 4, 5, 6, 0, 0, 0. Because that moves it 1, that moves it 2, and we want to move it 5. So add the 3 zeros there, and then I always do a wee check at the end. It's hard to see if you've got the right thing. So it was here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that then must be the right. Okay, this one here, not point. And again, moving at 1 would take it to here, because remember it's a smaller number. So we're going to need 7 zeros, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 7, 1, 9. And again, I'm never too sure of these, so I make sure and do a wee check then. Minus 8, so let's check if this is the right place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it looks like we've got it right.